This is Elise Livingston and Jeremy Kaiser with LA Homes and Architecture. Welcome to our new fantastic listing in Atwater Village at 4134 Garden Avenue. Nestled in adorable Atwater Village, a stone's throw from the LA River, this delightful Spanish casa honors its original 1920s craftsmanship with modern flourishes and upgrades. Original polished hardwood floors flow throughout this airy two-bedroom home, which now features central AC. The kitchen and sunny dining area have custom wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and solid wood counters, which continue in the laundry alcove atop the new washer and dryer. In the bathroom, striking Moroccan-style tiles anchor the pedestal sink, medicine cabinet storage, classic subway tiles, and original ironwork detail. Enjoy entertaining outside on the sprawling Ipe hardwood deck under the gaze of the Griffith Park mountains and overlooking the yard's drought-tolerant landscaping and mature trees. Roll back the custom barn door on the garage to discover a bonus room with fireplace, skylight, and a second private deck, perfect for a family room, office, or studio. Atwater Village is a fabulous East Side neighborhood known for its close community and its walkability. Walk, bike, or ride your horse to dozens of neighborhood gems, including the Village Bakery, Feliz Golf Course, Bigfoot Lodge, the Morrison, and Golden Road Brewery. Get your garden on at Potted or ignite your inner foodie at Aqua, Proof, or the famous Sunday Farmers Market. The shops, such as individual Medley, are as unique as your neighbors. There's also easy access to Griffith Park, LA Zoo, and the freeways. Thanks for going on this tour with me today. For any questions about 4134 Garden Avenue or any other property, contact me, Elise Livingston, or Jeremy Kaiser.